We all rely on the cloud, right? I mean, it runs pretty much everything. But have you ever stopped to think about the actual road your company's data takes to get there? For most of us, it's the public internet. And you can think of that as a huge, chaotic highway, jam-packed with traffic, potholes, you name it. But what if you could have your own private express lane just for you that bypasses all that chaos? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into. So you really have to ask yourself this question. When your critical applications start to lag or your sales team can't get into the CRM, that's not just some small IT problem. No, that's a direct hit to your bottom line. An unreliable connection isn't just an annoyance anymore. It's a serious bottleneck that can slow down your entire operation. And this really lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the public internet. It's a free-for-all. Your data is just out there competing with cat videos and streaming services. It's unpredictable and frankly a bit vulnerable. But then you look at the other side, the direct connection. It's a clean, straight shot, dedicated, secure, and totally consistent. It's night and day. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This quote from researcher William B. Norton hits the nail on the head. Get this. Every time your data travels over the public internet, it makes, on average, 4.3 hops between different networks. Every single one of those hops is another chance for something to go wrong, another potential door for a security breach. That's what he means by a large attack surface. It's like leaving a huge part of your business completely exposed. So, okay, if the public highway is the problem, then the solution seems pretty obvious, right? Get off it. And that's exactly where this idea of an internet bypass network comes into play. Let's dig into what that actually is. The concept here is actually super simple. An internet bypass solution is precisely what it sounds like. It's a dedicated, totally private network connection that links your office or your data center straight to your cloud provider. Your data never, ever has to touch the public internet. It's like having a private, secure bridge built just for your company's traffic to use. Now, here's something you'll see out in the wild. All the big cloud players have their own brand name for this service. Amazon calls it Direct Connect, Microsoft has Express Route, Google calls it Cloud Interconnect. But at the end of the day, they're all aiming for the same goal. We're going to focus on the market leader, AWS, to really see how this works under the hood. So let's get specific. Let's take a look at how the company that basically pioneered this space, Amazon Web Services, handles these direct connections. And there's a really good reason we're starting with AWS. I mean, the scale is just staggering. Gartner says they are massive compared to their competition. They were the ones who really commercialized this whole internet bypass idea way back in 2011. So their Direct Connect service, it's pretty much become the blueprint for the entire industry. If you get how they do it, you'll have a solid handle on the whole market. So what does this look like? Conceptually, it's really simple. On one side, you've got your business, your office, your data center, wherever. On the other side, you've got the AWS cloud. The magic happens in the middle, that dedicated private network connection. That's your express lane. And typically, you set this up with a little help from a certified AWS partner. Okay, you're thinking, how do I actually make this happen? Well, it boils down to a three-step process. First, you order the physical connection from a network partner. Think of that as laying the pavement for your private road. Second, you configure what's called a virtual interface, or VIF. That's like building the on-ramp to your new road. And finally, you connect that on-ramp to your private little slice of the cloud. That's it. Road, on-ramp, destination. Simple. Let's just quickly break down those terms because you'll hear them a lot. A virtual private cloud, or VPC, is just what it sounds like. It's your own private, walled-off section inside the giant AWS universe. And the virtual interface, or VIF, you can think of that as the special key or the digital plug that connects your private road to your private VPC. It makes sure your traffic goes exactly where it's supposed to and nowhere else. What's pretty interesting is that not everyone builds this private road in the exact same way. AWS, for example, creates these private virtual lanes on a shared physical cable, kind of like having your own dedicated HOV lane that no one else can use. Google, on the other hand, takes a different approach. It's more like their router and your router shake hands and talk directly to each other. So just two different technical paths to get to the same awesome result, a private, reliable connection. Okay, this all sounds fantastic from a tech and security angle, right? But let's talk about the business case. What's the bottom line? Does building this private connection actually make financial sense? Let's find out. So, Here's the crucial thing. Most organizations jump into direct connections because they want better security and more reliable performance. That's the main driver. But what's really interesting is that there's this third, often totally surprising benefit. You can actually end up saving money. To make this real, let's use an example from the source material. Picture a business that needs a steady, constant pipe to the cloud, moving about 50 megabits per second of data 24/7. That's a pretty typical workload for something like data backups or running a mission-critical app. Now, if you're pushing that data over the public internet, you're actually paying twice. First, you've got your bill from your internet service provider for the bandwidth. Then, AWS charges you a fee for any data that leaves their cloud. It's called an egress fee. For this amount of data, that adds up to just under $1,500 a month. Now let's look at the direct connect route. Here you have three costs: a small monthly fee for the port, a fee to the network partner, and the data transfer fee. But here's the kicker. AWS gives you a massive discount on those data transfer fees when you use Direct Connect. And with that discount, your total cost plummets to just over $1,000. And here it is, the bottom line. When you put them side by side, it's kind of a no-brainer, right? At this level of usage, the money you save on those discounted data fees more than covers the entire cost of the private connection itself. I mean, think about that. You get way better security, rock-solid performance, and it actually costs you less. That is an incredibly compelling business case. But we can actually take this even further. A private connection is already super secure just because it's isolated from the public internet. But for your most sensitive data, you can add another layer of armor on top. You can think of this as defense in depth. The path is private, sure, but encrypting the traffic makes it so that even if, in some crazy, super unlikely scenario, that line were ever compromised, the data itself would still be complete gibberish to anyone looking. It's the ultimate belt-and-suspenders approach for compliance and high security needs. And there are basically two main ways to do this. The first is a standard VPN tunnel. That's like putting every single piece of your data into its own tiny armored box before you send it down your private road. The second option, called MACsec, is a bit different. It's like turning the entire private road itself into one solid armored tube. Everything that goes through is automatically encrypted from end to end. It's faster, more comprehensive, and really designed for the highest performance and security needs. So this all brings us to one final thought. The way you connect to the cloud, it's not just a minor technical detail. It can be a genuine weak point, a source of risk and frustration. Or, as we've seen, it can be engineered into a secure, reliable, and even cost-effective competitive advantage. The choice is really yours.